Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome back to another video. Hope you're having a kick-ass day. So, yeah, it's not a Capri Sun for the lawn. It's the Pet Safe ice melt from Sunday. I'm gonna use this in the back patio area. It's kind of cleared off now, but I'm gonna throw some of this down. And then this stuff is great because this is where our dog goes. So I don't have to worry about her getting, hurt paws or anything like that. And then it's not supposed to damage the lawn either. So let's check it out. All right, let's take a look and see what this is all about. So it says it's powered by magnesium chloride sourced straight from the Dead Sea. Pure and simple formula starts working immediately in temperatures as low as 13 below 0 Fahrenheit. Its Pet Safe ice melt is designed to be safe for pets and eco-friendly. So eco-friendly formula, less corrosive to concrete, other surfaces, safer pet paws, less toxic, safer for lawns and foliage. So they want you to prep it, apply it, spot apply, sweep up anything that's, left over. And then you can read all the fine print there if you want. Well, you should. You can check this out. It's like flakes. So I'm not sure, I don't think this would work in a spreader at all. See? Just got salt flakes. So I'm gonna throw, I know it says you're supposed to prep the area and throw some off. I'm just gonna throw it on top of this snow back here. I was out, I had hernia surgery. So it snowed back here quite a bit and I couldn't get out and shovel it. So I'm just gonna throw some salt on it now, see what happens. All right, so I sprinkled it all in this area here and through here. Oh man, I just stepped in dog poop. Ugh. I gotta clean that up back here too. The other spot I'm gonna try out, this area gets some shade during the afternoon. And so I'm gonna clear this off with the shovel in a little bit, and then I'll sprinkle some more down in this spot. All right, we're gonna give that some time to work now, and I'll check on it in like 20 minutes, half an hour or so, and see how much is melted. It's after 4 p.m. now, so the sun's gonna be going down today. It's getting colder, quite a bit of breeze here. It did get up to 40 today, so that's awesome. Spring is around the corner, right? Getting excited to get out there. Gotta get that white crap out of there.
20 minutes later.
All right, so you can't really see where I threw it in the thick stuff, but when you follow the directions and clear the area and prep it, and then put the salt down, it clearly works. And it's been 20 minutes, not even. So let's check out the back. All right, so here where I put it on the snow, I mean, it's working, melting. The temperatures will be rising this week, so I'm not too worried about it, but like I said, I wanted to take care of some of this ice, and I wanted it to be safe for the doggo. Would you look at that? Spring is coming, folks. You better get ready. Well, there you have it, folks. It's the Sunday Pet Safe Ice Melt. You can put a link in the description below. You can check that out. You know, hit a like on the video. Make sure to subscribe for more content like this. I will be doing more Sunday content this year in 2021. I'll be working with my sister-in-law, and we'll be over at her house applying the products on her property. So that'll be fun and exciting. So be sure to subscribe and to check out those future videos. I'm the Yard Guy. We'll catch you in the next video.